We have approximately 900 tanks of pickles over at our tank yard. Each tank is roughly 45 to 50,000 pounds. And we get approximately 22 pallets per 33,000 pounds. Before we had Plex, we had a physical inventory once a year. We also had a monthly count. All we would do is go to that rack location or that location and say, yep, there's 2,500 or 1,200 in there. Yep, there's 1,200 in here. And we would just update Smart Label with that information, just what pallets count was in there, not necessarily the product.
Fully integrated system now. The production is completed. As soon as the pallet comes off the line, production is recorded. Record the entire inventory into the system. It's there. We have visibility of it. We know when it was produced. We know when it should be shipped out. We know how much is there. We know what the value of it is. We know just everything about it. And we can look at what our inventory is on a moment's basis and see accurately what our inventory is, as opposed to previously having to wait 2 to 3 days. And then it's not accurate because something else is gone. Inventory accuracy is so much better.